Hi guys, welcome to Make Yourself at Home. I am Tata and this series is meant for newbie chefs like me to learn how to cook some amazing dishes from a dear friend of mine who is also a food enthusiast, Natalie!
Hello everybody, I'm Natalie. I really love cooking and I just want to welcome you to my little kitchen.
So this series is going to get more and more challenging by each episode, not just the dish that we are making, but also there will be missions for me. But we are going to start easy. So for this round, I can see and listen to how you make this dish, and then I'm going to remake one later. So what are you cooking today?
Today we'll be making chicken dumplings. Start off with this potato starch noodles. So first off, you want to soak them in water so that when you boil them, it gets ready faster. We only cooked it for about a minute or so.
Okay.
Then we put it back into the bowl. We wait for the noodles to cool down a bit. Meanwhile, so you see you have some chives. Now you just make them into small pieces like that. Then now we go back to your noodles that is cool. Very simple. I told you my steps are very simple. You don't need to make it look perfect because nobody is
perfect.
Yes, you see, me and you are such good friends, you can even finish my sentences. So make sure to wash your hands, then you just put it in. Now we chop the ginger into very fine pieces.
Okay. How fine is fine?
Then I show you.
Okay. Why this ginger can walk one?
His name is Ginger Walker. Yeah, so you put in the chicken, chives, put in. Now your noodles that you've cut.
Okay.
Then you put in your ginger. So I put about 1.5 tablespoons of ginger inside here. Soy sauce you need about 3 tablespoons. And then I put in about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Usually this is all you need. Salt, half a teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of oil. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix everything together, bergaul-gaul. Make sure that it's very evenly mixed. Now you want to start wrapping, right? You want to wrap. You want to wrap the... You want to wrap your dumplings. Then you take a little spoonful, wet the sides of the thing, push this to the center, and pitch it. So then you will have a dumpling like this. So now we ready to fry?
Okay.
So make sure it's a bit hot. Then you put this oil.
1 teaspoon.
No, this is probably about 1 tablespoon maybe. Baby, you know 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon is what different or not?
One big, one small.
Correct. This is what?
Tablespoon.
Correct. Here look like teaspoon to you?
Yeah. Everyone of you thinks differently.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so when it's slightly golden brown, like that, then you put in some water to make sure that the skin is ready and also the meat inside is good. Oh, basically you're just steaming it, okay? Steam it for maybe about 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes and then we turn it off. So we're done with the dumplings, but we want to make some sauce. So you give yourself some, as much soy sauce as you want, to be honest. This is ginger. Usually you want to slice it berhiris. This one look like restaurant a bit now.
Wow!
So just put a bit of sugar for this amount. Then we are ready for a taste test and whether 你可以 redo everything again.
Sure! So that one is the chopstick. You take this potato starch noodle, you want to put in to boil. Okay, so then you take it out from the pan. So next time we cut this one.
Why you want to cut it? Your one very yellow, right?
Yeah, you can see a bit of yellow. This one we don't want.
Hey, your hand don't press out like that.
Okay, like that. You cannot tell me what to do one. You don't tell me what to do.
I never.
Okay, so just now you cut. Have to make sure it is small. A bit small like that. So, this one you cut. Small biji. Don't tell me correct or not. Don't tell me correct or not. So I cut like this. So you put everything in. After that, 3 teaspoon. But this one, she said you can do whatever you like. If you like it salty, then you can. So after oyster sauce, this one.
What's that?
Sesame sauce. 2 teaspoon. You mix everything. Okay? So this one. Okay. Smooth like your skin, not my skin. Okay, so I like it not too big. I know it's a very special taste, but I like it not so thick. So you do this one, you press the middle part hard. As long as it's close lah. You actually this one it's not necessary one. It's just a pattern. Sorry. Just add.
Don't throw ah.
Just wait for 5 minutes. Wow. Look at that, guys. Golden brown. Okay, we do the sauce. We put 3 teaspoons of the soy sauce. And then after that, ginger. Ginger. Okay, and I'm done.
Wow! Okay, actually it really does look quite good.
Yes, and let's try the dumplings that we made. I'm so thoughtful. This one for you, one for me. I will take this one. Okay, try your one first. It's very legit.
Well, the meat,
I like the skin very crispy. Okay, let's try mine.
okay.
Not bad. I think mine tastes better.
I honestly think that there isn't much difference. In fact, I think it's almost pretty much the same.
That's all for this episode. Thank you for watching this episode, and please do try out the recipe and let us know how it goes in the comment section down below. And we will see you in the next Make Yourself at Home.
Thanks for watching this episode of Make Yourself at Home, and thank you Digi for helping us stay connected.